How to use Credit Karma to monitor for identity theft. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the menu tab at the top and click on Resources. Under this section, select Identity Monitoring. Here you will find tools and alerts that help you monitor your personal information and detect any suspicious activity. You can see if your data has been exposed in any known data breaches or if there's any unusual activity tied to your identity. Make sure that your notifications are turned on. Head over to your settings or profile and enable email or push alerts for identity monitoring. This will keep you informed in real time if any suspicious changes or breaches are detected. If you find anything suspicious, Credit Karma provides direct links and guidance to help you dispute the error or report identity theft to the proper credit bureau. Now you know how to use the Credit Karma to monitor for identity theft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.